Okay, this is Firefighter Phil. And
man?
what's my name?
Tactical Tool Man.
Tactical Tool, and I'm Tactical Tool Man Doug. We're gonna do a little competition here and see which profession is better suited to blend with firearms. 2 hits on target with a handgun. Pap, pap. From this line, we're gonna work our way backwards to the second target from here. After those 2 hits, run back to this tree here, where there will be a .308 Winchester. That's gonna be the little competition. So it's gonna be firefighter versus
construction worker. 3, 2, 1. Very nice.
shoot! Okay, there's 2. Good job. He's taking the path. Nice. Here we go. Through your weight time. One.
You knocked it down.
Hit something else. There you go. How do you feel?
I'm tired. I had a lot of slip-ups there. My boots were slipping on the ice. It's a little bit harder to jump over that log with such heavy gear. You have such low mobility. And my sleeve kept getting caught.
Oh, that's what was happening.
Handle, and I couldn't reload this weapon. But it was fun. Drag out.
Three, 2, 1.
Oh my God. Das Picanha. Only you can prevent forest fires.
Have a good day. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in a future video. I think you got it.